The Credo Wireless braking system by the guys over at Trailparts is wicked. I love it because it's so easy to use. You just plug it into your USB or into your cigarette lighter and it's touchscreen. So say that I'm driving over like those mad hills going up over to Waiho Bay and they're really steep and it's like a cliff face, then I can just grab my braking controller and I can go up or down on the brakes, which is so good when you're towing a big boat like I do. The other cool features of this is that you can use it on any vehicle in New Zealand because it's 12 and 24 volt. I think that's really, really cool. Another thing I really enjoy about the Credo wireless braking system is that it's actually designed by Kiwis. So a bunch of guys here in New Zealand have actually put this together and they've made it for the needs of the fishermen towing your boat around New Zealand. It also doesn't need to be hardwired, so you can literally just plug it in. So it's a wireless system obviously, so you can take it from one vehicle and just plug it straight into the USB or cigarette lighter and you can use it again in the next vehicle.